good? No worries. Quick flat tire change on the way to the river. Trailer got a flat tire. Luckily, the owner has a impact drill, battery operated, and all the tools and the big jack, so it was really quick. Not bad at all. All right, we're on our way. You did all right, you did all right. All right, just checking in. Came with my friend up to the lake Mead. We're doing some boat camping, and I forgot my vest in my car, so I gotta go with my vest. We're gonna go do a trip and then come back with the boats after we drop some stuff off, get the rest of our stuff. But that's what we're doing. It's beautiful out here. It's hot, but it's beautiful. Having fun. I'll check in with you in a little bit. What's up, Kayla? Now you're on a jet ski. About to do some stuff. Gotta figure out where to put this thing. Faster?
There. Yeah, Hoover Dam.
How far is it?
Like an hour, right?
Oh, fuck that.
It's not bad, but it's like
maybe in a
canyons,
boat.
Yeah, in the canyons it gets so hot.
I had to use 3 different fingers. That's why we kept slowing down, because I had to switch fingers.
Huh?
The beach was all the way there. Bush last time.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Yeah.
Kind of the campsite.
I don't know.
Basically, we got this whole beach. The sunset's over there, huh?
Huh?
Sunset? Oh, over there? Oh.
Sunset's there, but it rises from.
Oh, cool.
So shut that front door tent.
This is dope. What do we gotta do? Pull the stuff out?
Yeah, we're gonna pull stuff out in a moment.
Need help? Wait, bud! Wait. I feel an opening!
This is the big one. This is the 3-person. It's huge.
Merlin, out. No, I was gonna get one of these. Oh, and the rain cover too?
Yeah. No, but you make.
Uji's gonna catch something, he thinks.
He's looking.
Yeah, he's got a pull out right now.
Oh.
How you're gonna sleep in there now?
Ah, wait.
Ow.
It's big enough for 10 of you.
I mean, for backpacking.
Hey guys.
No, it is. Because like every single like ounce.
Yeah.
Stay out of the bushes, baby. I don't want you in the bushes.
I'm just showing you.
Oh, you're telling something.
If you face that camera this way, you
Oh.
even watch the video from when it was dark.
Yeah, that's true. It picks up good video at dark too.
And make sure to note
Oh look, thank you.
it.